Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes Bluetooth not showing on Device Manager in Windows 11 and Windows 10 fix. First method is type Services in Windows search bar, click Services. Open Bluetooth Support Service, change Startup Type to Automatic, start the service, click Apply, click OK. Open Bluetooth User Service, start the service, click Apply, click OK. Second method is Open File Explorer. Create shortcut to desktop. Third method is click Start, Settings, click System, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Fourth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click Bluetooth device, click Update driver, click Search automatically for drivers. Fifth method is right-click Start button, click Device Manager. Click and expand Bluetooth, right-click Bluetooth device, click Uninstall device, after uninstall scan for hardware changes. Sixth method is open any browser. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.